Are you nervous about painting a butterfly? Don't be, it's much easier than it looks. Isn't this butterfly adorable? I painted it using my leftover paint, and you can create one too. If you would like to paint these butterflies with me, check out the butterfly live stream on my YouTube channel where I show every step in real time. This butterfly features a gorgeous yellow color pattern, one of my favorite. If you love exploring color combination, I also have a dedicated playlist filled with beautiful palette including vibrant red, yellow, orange combination. They are completely free to watch and learn from. And here's another butterfly magnet with a soft floral inspired color palette. I love creating this one and I hope it inspire your next project. Head over to my YouTube channel, explore the live tutorial and color palette playlist, and let's paint this butterfly together.